Good morning. We're at Flite Fest. This is Thursday morning, and we're out here on the flight line. And right down there where the gates are, that's the quad racing area. And then we have a fabric runway. And then there's also, looks like about 100 feet of a hard runway too. It's like interlocking plastic panels. And we got soybeans. Lots and lots of soybeans. All that were the soybeans, that was all empty field last year. And there's gonna be a lot of lost equipment in there this year. But anyway, we're gonna walk back to the camper. We're kind of walk through here and you get an idea of what it's like. Here's a build tent. One of the build tents, there's two of them. There's another one down at the other end. And they'll both be jam-packed full of people building. It's one of the generators that powers the event. Bathhouses, camping, and all the vendors and everything's down that way. Some reminders. And this is the property owner's runway. He has a full-scale airplane that he flies off of this. And they generously let people use this property for this event. Lots and lots of camping. Yeah, we had the Bluefo out this morning. Did a flight. Moved the pack back and moved the CG back a little bit, and pitch response is much better. Showed no tendencies to want to stall this time. And this is the back row of the camping, of the RV camping. And here's Yellow Bus Sky headquarters. Talk to the camera. Thinks I'm crazy. And we brought the clips on, we got the timber. This is what we charge everything with. Run the AC. We'll be back with more. I'll see y'all later.